lose the Poles and Lombard folk, the Longobards and the Germans too. If they want Frenchmen or Picards yoke, as lords or as their interpreters true, for murder by wrong they hold a sports song. And I do not praise a king who does not guard the law's ring. Cormoran's treasure belong, and fear death less than the Count of Montfort's breast. If he wills that with barricade the world to him should kneel and pray. And know what shall be his share and part of the wars and the bloody fray. The heavens, the fears, the guarded heart that he has made, the grief, the hurt's array shall be his by fate's own start. Of this much I comfort his heart, that with such a carriage he will come back from the tourney's carnage. Man, little worth are your sense and your art if you lose your soul for your children's part. For another's meat you burn your heart, and another's rest to you is smart. Such a port where I believe each man bears in short the deceit and the betrayal's report, and the wrong deeds he did for his comfort. Of a garden plot's return, nor do I see from it at all goods or gear befall.